guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be looking at some air conditioners. Looks like a scroll compressor. That one just cut off. I'm kind of getting tired of waiting for these things to turn on. Let's go to the next air conditioner. This thing's loud. Oh, he shut off. Still haven't cut on yet. Maybe they just weren't programmed to turn on right now. I think there's some air conditioners over here. Let's go check. And next, I'll show you an indoor unit, like a blower. Man, it is hot. All right, here on the other side. And there's an air conditioner on the top. I could hear it. Here's two carriers. There's a ton of carriers. There's dog poop. There's a ton of people, and I don't want to look stupid looking at air conditioners. There's a ream on the top. There's some kind of bathroom air vent. Let's come look over here. Well, that guy just shut down. So I just found this air conditioner with two compressors. Looks like what is it? York. It's a York. That's an old company. Here we have a super loud ream. It's shaking a lot. Probably a bad compressor. Here we have a ream. On hot air. There's a Mitsubishi electric. And I do not see any air conditioners on the roof. Ream! It's making a ton of noise. Hot. Whoa, what the? Got some carriers. It's a loose screw. Carrier. Suction line. Cold. This one. This one hasn't been on. It's bad. Awesome, two air conditioners. This one's super short. And this one's super tall. This one was on a couple seconds ago. Or a couple minutes ago. Maybe an hour ago. I can't feel it. Oh, yeah, that's cold. Cold means good.